BMW M4 in for the can Immobiliser. Let me show you how it all works. So this one will allow you to start the vehicle. If you try and select gear, will not go into gear. If you try and hold it in gear, the secondary layer will kick in. So you've got gearbox lock and engine kill. So if I hold it in gear, it shut the vehicle down. So this is the secondary layer. So it will allow you to restart again. So now what we must do is enter the customer's demo code and you get a flash of the main beam. Flash of the main beam, we can now select gear, all nice and safely. As soon as you switch it off, open the driver's door, 2 flashes of the main beam, automatically rearms. So now we must start it again. If we want to drive off, we'll have to enter our code. We also give you a free tag and free case. In the pack you get emergency overrides. You also get a screwdriver and spare battery for your tag as well, so it's nice and convenient. And the tag, if you want to pair your phone, only works in close proximity to the vehicle. So as soon as you're out of range, a couple of meters, you're all protected. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Elite Car Security, 0333 012 9028.
She knows it.